The end of hard work. How AI agents are building new empires. Most people think AI is coming for their jobs, but the real danger is much worse. It's coming for your purchasing power. While 99% of people are using ChatGPT just to write better emails, a small group of AI wealth architects are using agentic workflows to build 24/7 income streams that don't require a single employee. In the next 10 minutes, I'm breaking down the exact money mindset shift you need to make before 2026 to stop being a tool user and start being a system owner. If you don't change this one thing by the end of this video, you're not just falling behind, you're becoming obsolete. We are entering an era where the traditional hustle is being replaced by automation. In 2025, the global economy reached a staggering $600 trillion, but that wealth is being redistributed to those who understand the machine. If you are still trading hours for dollars, you are operating on a 20th century operating system in a 21st century world. Today, we delete that old operating system and install the empire mindset. Before we dive into the 10,000 a month strategy, I want to give you a win you can use today. Most people waste 5 to 10 hours every single week on what I call digital chores. These are the repetitive tasks like sorting emails, basic market research, or summarizing industry news. I want you to stop using standard search engines and start looking at specialized AI research agents like Perplexity or specific custom GPTs. Instead of searching Google for hours, I want you to use this mindset. If I have to do it twice, an AI should do it forever. Think about your current workflow. Are you manually researching stock trends? Are you writing social media captions one by one? You are burning your most valuable asset, your cognitive bandwidth. By the end of this section, I want you to identify one task to offload. This is the first step in moving from labor to leverage. Wealthy people don't trade their limited time for money. They trade systems for money. And in 2025, AI is the ultimate system. To hit that $10,000 monthly mark, you have to understand the 3 pillars of AI wealth. First, we are witnessing the death of the specialist. In the old world, you got paid for what you knew. You spent years in school to acquire a specific siloed skill like accounting, coding, or graphic design. But in the AI world, that kind of basic knowledge has become a commodity. Today, you get paid for what you can execute and how well you can direct the machine. We are seeing a fundamental shift where generalist architects are out-earning niche specialists. Why? Because a single architect can use AI to perform the work of 10 specialists, often faster and more accurately. They see the bigger picture. Think about a modern marketing agency. In 2020, you needed a copywriter, a designer, and a data analyst. In 2025, you need one person who knows how to orchestrate 3 AI agents to achieve a unified goal. This is the empire of one. You aren't just a creator, you are a CEO of a digital workforce that never sleeps, never asks for a raise, and never gets tired. Your leverage is nearly infinite. Second, let's talk about content arbitrage and micro SaaS. This is where the strategy really scales. I'm going to show you how successful creators are using sophisticated AI agents, not just simple chatbots, to run entire newsletters and faceless YouTube channels while they sleep. This is about being the conductor of an orchestra rather than playing every instrument yourself. When you fully automate the creation process, your cost of production drops to nearly zero, while your potential for profit stays unlimited. It's a complete paradigm shift in value creation. Imagine a system where your AI scans the news at 4 a.m., identifies a trending financial topic, writes a script based on your unique voice, and generates a video using stock footage, all before you wake up. This isn't a fantasy, it's a digital twin. It's an autonomous extension of your expertise, working tirelessly for you. By creating assets that exist independently of your physical presence, you break the ceiling on your income. Whether it's an automated blog, a faceless YouTube channel, or a suite of AI-driven micro tools, these are the new real estate of the 2020s. You don't need to buy an apartment complex to get passive income anymore. You need to build a digital algorithm that solves a problem at scale. Let's look at a real-world case study. A creator I follow started a faceless financial news channel just 6 months ago. By using a swarm of AI agents to research, script, and edit, they were able to publish 3 high-quality, relevant videos per day. This relentless consistency, impossible for a human alone, is what captured the algorithm's attention and built their audience rapidly. In the old world, this level of output would require a team of 5 people and a $10,000 monthly overhead. Today, this creator does it for less than $100 a month in API costs. This is the power of the AI wealth gap in action. The person who works hard by filming and editing manually for 12 hours simply can't compete with the person who works smart by managing an AI production line for 1 hour. This is why your mindset is more important than your skills. You must stop seeing yourself as a worker, trading time for money, and start seeing yourself as a system architect, building assets that generate value while you sleep. Third, we must address the sunk cost fallacy of the old economy. Many of you have spent years learning skills that AI can now do in seconds. The hardest part of the money mindset shift is letting go of the pride you take in that manual labor. If an AI can write better code or design a better logo than you in 5 seconds, it is a liability to keep doing it yourself. Your value now lies in your judgment and your taste. AI has no taste. It doesn't know what will go viral. It doesn't know what a $10,000 a month client actually needs emotionally. You provide the soul. The AI provides the scale. This is where the real money is made. Here's the secret that the big finance channels aren't telling you yet. Agentic AI. While 2024 was the year of chatting with AI, 2025 is shaping up to be the year of action. We are moving away from simply asking AI questions and moving toward giving AI complex, multi-step goals. An AI agent is fundamentally different from a chatbot because it has the power to reason, plan, and execute tasks autonomously. It doesn't just tell you how to start a business. It actually goes out and finds qualified leads, drafts, and sends personalized emails, and organizes your entire calendar without your constant input. Powerful open-source tools like Microsoft AutoGen and Crew AI are allowing individuals to build sophisticated swarms of agents that work together seamlessly. Imagine one agent finding the raw data, a second agent analyzing the risk and market sentiment, and a third agent executing the trade or publishing the content. This isn't science fiction. That is the reality of how the top 1% are building automated systems to scale to 5-figure months right now. Your mindset shift needs to be this. Stop asking, how do I do this? And start asking, how can I build an AI system that does this for me? This is the absolute core of the new money mindset. It's the critical transition from being the overworked employee of your own business to being the strategic investor in your own automated systems. This is how you reclaim your time and truly scale your impact. As we look toward the future, the gap between those who work hard and those who work smart is widening into a canyon. We are at a point in history where the gap between the haves and the have-nots is becoming the AI haves and the AI have-nots. You have a head start with the 2,500-person community we've built here. Don't let this momentum go to waste. Think about the 2.35 you see in your current analytics. That isn't a failure, it's a seed. To turn that seed into $10,000, you need the volume that only AI can provide. You need to be everywhere all at once, providing value across multiple platforms without burning out. So, here is your 48-hour roadmap to get started. Step 1. Identify one task you do every day that an AI can handle. Step 2. Use the leverage mindset to automate it completely using the tools we discussed. Step 3. Reinvest that saved time into building or acquiring your first AI-driven asset. Whether that's a specialized blog, a faceless channel, or an automated service, the key is to start now while the competition is still chatting. The window of opportunity is wide open, but it won't stay that way forever. As more people catch on, the early adopter advantage will fade. You have 30 days to save your monetization and turn this channel around. Let this video be the line in the sand. If you found this breakdown valuable, you need to watch my next deep dive on the top 5 AI agents for passive income in 2026. That video will show you the exact tools to put these theories into practice. We will look at how to set up your first agent swarm and how to pick a niche that is protected from AI saturation. Click that video on your screen now, and let's start building your empire. Remember, wealth isn't about how hard you work. It's about how much leverage you control. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching the Money Mindset channel. Be on the lookout for more of these videos in 2026. Let us all work smarter using AI to accomplish our financial goals and secure our future.